Listen up, because what I'm about to share could change the way you think about investing forever. Wall Street's elite have a secret, a closely guarded strategy they use to build wealth consistently. It's a method for generating steady, reliable passive income, regardless of market volatility. And today, I'm handing you the keys. I'm giving you access to the same strategy the big players use. For years, hedge funds and private equity giants, the titans of the financial world, have quietly used this strategy, keeping it under wraps, away from the average investor. All this to collect big, reliable cash flow, a consistent stream of income that compounds over time. Meanwhile, most investors settle for scraps, accepting meager returns and limited opportunities. Here's the secret, the key to unlocking a different financial future. You become the bank. You step into the role of the lender, not the borrower. You collect the interest, the profits that banks typically pocket for themselves. You collect the interest, not the big institutions. It's time to shift the power dynamic. Forget the myth that you need millions to get started with this strategy, or a finance degree. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to make this work. This is accessible, regulated, and real. This is a genuine opportunity available to everyone. The big players want you stuck, trapped in a cycle of low returns and limited options. They want you stuck with low-yield savings accounts that barely keep pace with inflation. All the while they lend at double-digit rates, profiting from the spread. But you can target yields you can aim for returns that truly make a difference. 8%, 9%, even 10%. And you can do it without wild stock swings or risky bets. This isn't about gambling, it's about strategic investing. This is the third path, a different way to approach wealth building. High income, less drama, more financial security, less stress. I'm about to show you exactly step by step how to tap into this stream of passive income, step by step. I'll guide you through the entire process. No secret handshake required, no fancy credentials needed. You don't need to be part of an exclusive club, just a regular brokerage account, the same kind millions of people already use, and the will to take control of your financial future. The era of settling for less is over. It's time to break free from the limitations you've accepted. It's time to get paid what you deserve. Let's dive in and get started on this journey together. Inflation is eating away at your hard-earned money, silently diminishing its value day by day. It's a relentless force that erodes your savings alive. It's like watching your money slowly disappear before your very eyes. The real value of what you've saved is constantly under threat. Every day your cash sits idly by in a low-yield account, it's not just sitting still, it loses value. Its purchasing power diminishes, meaning you can buy less and less with the same amount of money. Bonds? Are they the answer? They barely keep up with inflation, often lagging behind the rising cost of living, and you're locking up your money, restricting its access, for years, sometimes decades, for almost nothing in return. Is it really worth the wait? Stocks? What about the stock market? Sure, they can soar, offering the potential for high growth, but the volatility, the unpredictable ups and downs, can wreck your nerves, causing sleepless nights and constant anxiety. And your retirement plans. It can jeopardize your financial future. Relying on growth stocks, chasing after the next big thing for income, for a steady stream of cash flow, is like building a house. Constructing your financial security on quicksand. It's an unstable foundation that could collapse at any moment. Millions are stuck, trapped in this cycle, in what I call a challenging financial situation that I've termed the income squeeze. Caught between feeling the pressure from all sides, inflation, the ever-increasing cost of goods and services, low bond yields, offering meager returns on your investments, and stock market chaos. The unpredictable nature of the market adds to the stress. It feels like you might think, the game is rigged. The odds seem stacked against the average investor. But there's another way, a different path to financial freedom, one the financial elite, the wealthy and well-connected have used for decades, a proven strategy that stands the test of time. It's an asset class, a specific category of investment built for this environment, designed to thrive in today's economic climate. High income, providing a substantial return on your investment, less drama, a more stable and predictable investment experience. You don't have to settle, you don't need to accept the status quo, for shrinking purchasing power, watching your money buy less and less, or sleepless nights. You can achieve peace of mind with your investments. There's a solution, an answer to the challenges you face, that thrives, that flourishes and grows when everything else struggles. It's a resilient investment in tough times. It's time to break free, to escape the limitations from the squeeze, to alleviate the pressure and regain control. Ready to see how? Are you prepared to discover the solution? Let's go. Let's embark on this journey together. The answer? Private credit. It's simple. You become the lender, not just a saver. Banks used to dominate this game, but after 2008 they pulled back, leaving a huge opportunity for investors like you. Private credit means lending to established, mid-sized American businesses. Real companies, not risky startups. These businesses pay higher interest rates, often 9%, 10%, even 12%, because they need capital and can't get it from big banks. Many loans are floating rate, so when interest rates rise, your income rises too. You're fueling Main Street, earning steady, inflation-resistant income. It's a calculated risk, but you're paid handsomely for it. This is the engine room of passive income Wall Street never wanted you to see. Now let's make it accessible. You don't need millions or a finance degree to get in on private credit. Enter business development companies, BDCs. BDCs are publicly traded companies that specialize in private credit. Buy a share, and you own a slice of a diversified loan portfolio. The pros handle the research, lending, and risk management for you. By law, BDCs must pay out at least 90% of their income as dividends, straight to your pocket. That's why BDCs offer some of the highest, most consistent yields in the market. You get professional management, diversification, and big dividends, all with a single stock purchase. It's the ultimate passive income tool most investors overlook. Ready to see which BDCs to watch? Here are 3 to put on your radar. Let's get specific. Here are 3 top BDCs to start your research. First, Ares Capital, ARCC, the industry giant. Huge, diversified, and a track record of 9-10% yields. Next, Main Street Capital, Main, the special forces of BDCs. They invest in smaller companies, pay monthly dividends, and often deliver 6-7% yields plus bonuses. Finally, Oaktree Specialty Lending, OCSL, run by credit experts, focused on larger, stable companies, and known for disciplined risk management. Yields often hit 9-11%. These are blue-chip BDCs, proven, well-managed, and built for income. Do your own homework, but these names are a great starting point. They're the foundation for a high-yield income portfolio. Now let's talk about how easy it is to buy your first share. No gatekeepers, no hassle. Here's how. Buying a BDC is as easy as buying any stock. If you have a brokerage account, Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, Trade, you're ready. No special access, no minimums. Just search the ticker like ARCC and hit buy. You can start with a single share, less than the cost of dinner out. The platform shows you the price, yield, and all the info you need. Confirm your order, and you're in. You now own a piece of a private credit portfolio, earning high-yield passive income. It's that simple. Don't let anyone tell you investing is too complicated. The door is wide open. Now, let's talk about risk, and how to play this smart. No investment is risk-free. Every investment carries some level of risk, and it's crucial to understand this before diving in. As a lender, your main risk is default. This means the borrower might not be able to fulfill their repayment obligations. This happens if a company can't pay back its loan, potentially leading to financial losses for you. That's why diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different assets can significantly reduce your overall risk exposure. Top BDCs hold hundreds of loans, diversifying their portfolio to minimize the impact of any single default. So one default is just a blip, a minor setback that doesn't derail the entire investment strategy. Recessions can increase risk as businesses may struggle to maintain profitability during economic downturns. But well-managed BDCs have teams built to weather storms. These experienced professionals are adept at navigating challenging economic conditions. Don't chase the highest yield. It often comes with increased risk. Instead, stick with proven leaders like ARCC, Main, and OCSL. These companies have a track record of consistent performance and responsible management. Here's your 3-step game plan to get started with BDC investing. Step 1. Research top-tier BDCs. Look at management, assess their experience and track record, analyze their portfolios, understand the types of companies they're lending to, and evaluate their past performance. Step 2. Buy shares and enroll in a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP. This allows you to compound your income automatically by reinvesting the dividends you receive. Step 3. Monitor your holdings, keep an eye on the BDCs you've invested in, but don't panic over daily price swings. Short-term market fluctuations are normal. This is about steady income, not quick flips. Focus on the long-term dividend income potential. The strategy Wall Street uses is now yours. You can leverage the same investment approaches as sophisticated financial institutions. Inflation and low yields don't have to win. You can take control of your financial future. You have the knowledge and the plan. Now it's time to put them into action. Take the first step. Start your research and begin your BDC investment journey. Stay tuned for more deep dives on picking the best BDCs. We'll provide detailed analysis and insights to help you make informed decisions. Now go make your money work for you. Start building your passive income stream today. If you want to build true passive income in 2025, without chasing crypto or timing the market, this is your play. Subscribe to Vault Vision now. In the next video, I'll compare the top 5 BDCs and show you exactly which ones I'm buying.